Hey guys, Ronnie here. Thanks for stopping by. So I am just wrapping up my latest project, dry fitting everything in to see how it looks. Wasn't going to make a video because it's just another bench, but it actually isn't just another bench. I changed the design up from what I normally do, and then I got to thinking, I thought this might be a good opportunity to encourage you guys to not be afraid to play around with dimensions, change things up. You never know what you're going to find. I have made 3 different changes. 2 were intentional. 1 was required because of a mistake I made, but let me get into what I changed up. So normally I would have a 2x4 on edge up here for the top apron. I decided to go with a 2-inch. So I ripped 2-inch apron all the way around just to give it a little different look. I kind of like it. The other thing I did was I changed up the X-brace width. Normally, again, 2x4 on edge, so it'd be 1.5 inches. This one, I went with the 2-inch design, and it's a little bit blockier look. I really like it. Look at those tight angled cuts. Those of you who are used to my channel, you know what I'm about ready to say, right? About ready to push my app miter angle calculator. For you new here, it's an app I created you just put in the height and the width of the space you're going to use and the width of the board. Gives you exact angles. Look, I couldn't have got that by eyesight. All right, let's get to I wanted to tell you about these. So I'm always putting in an extra slat now lately. I build an extra slat because in case I split one, putting one in, or if there's a knot in one or whatever, just to have extra on hand. This is my spacer stick here to space the slats out evenly. So let's get to the third design change and why I did that. So as I mentioned, I did 2-inch apron all the way around. Well, when I was ripping my boards down, all the aprons I did 2 inches, I forgot the legs are 3.5 inches. And so the apron actually was 1 inch short. And so that required me to, on these end slats, is to notch out 1 inch on each end because I wanted to keep the same spacing all the way across. So otherwise, the apron would come out here to the end and I wouldn't have to worry about that. But it was a mistake, but I worked around it, and I actually kind of like that look, really. It's a little extra work, notching those out, but I didn't think it turned out bad. So hopefully you'll know that if you make a mistake, maybe it's not a mistake. Maybe it's a new design you're going to incorporate in your benches. I have my video, Build Your First Piece of Furniture, entryway bench, kind of like this. If you're new here, I'll link it down so you can watch it. Compare it to this, because like I said, I'm changing up the design. I'm getting ready to stain this now, put it up for sale on Facebook Marketplace. Just thought I would share it with you, encourage you, start thinking about how you can change up your designs. All right, thanks for watching. I appreciate you guys. Catch you on the next video.